G'day there, it's Gus here. A couple of months ago I bought this Gretsch G5230T Electromatic, and it came stock standard with this Tune-O-Matic bridge here. As you can see, I've made a few adjustments to it. When I got it from the shop, I played it acoustically and I could hear some rattling going on, and I also thought the tone was quite dull and tinny. And I thought, I did a bit of research and I found out about this bridge replacement called the Tru-Arc, which I have installed here. Prior to doing that, I did some A/B comparisons of some licks and some chords and things, and I'd like to show you how they all turned out and do a bit of a analysis at the end of this video. So let's go. Chord deal with the Tune-O-Matic. Well, there you have it. So definitely more richer, fuller tone, and a lot more sustained compared to the Tune-O-Matic. So I'm glad I did do the replacement for the Tru-Arc. And if you're in the same boat, hopefully this has helped you. Do your research. The Gretsch pages was a great resource for me to make my decision. And good luck with yours, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.